Well, guys, just want to go over this Coyote badge for your Mustang GT from LMR, late model restoration. Pretty cool product, guys. So if you guys saw my videos a while back, we ended up doing this facelift on Scarlett here. We pulled the nose off the car and installed the APR carbon fiber splitter on the front and a new grille, and that looks really cool. The only thing is I lost the pony, and the pony was one of my favorite things about the car. Now here I have the original grille, and the reason why I got rid of this grille was not so much the honeycomb pattern, but it was just this ugly cutout here. So I got rid of it to have a sharper, cleaner look, and honestly, if you guys could see, it came out awesome, and the straight lines in the grille really tie in with the wheels there. So the only thing I'm missing now is the pony. I went ahead and bought the Coyote badge to put on the side here, sort of like what the Shelbys have. You know, and it's just that one more little thing, you know, really make it pop and stand out. So, quick review on this. You get this out of the box. It's heavy. It's good quality. You can see the nice gloss shine it has to it, and it's heavy. So, it's the real deal. It has a mounting bracket in the box there. However, this badge really is only made to fit with the original grille. Okay, and what I mean by that is they're meant to go through here, the honeycomb holes, and secure from the back. There's a bracket that goes on and screws on. Nice and simple. However, when you put it on your aftermarket grille like I have, you could see the threads don't reach all the way through. So that's a little hiccup that I'm running into with this thing. So my original thought was to cut these threads off and double-sided tape onto the grille. However, if I do that, then it really doesn't align evenly with the grille. As you can see, that's perfectly even there. I only have one spot with tape, not two, and definitely not three. So I was originally going to make this an install video on how to do this on your car, and honestly, I could show you guys if you want, but I just want to do a quick review on that. It's a cool product. I definitely go check them out. It's definitely quality. However, just be careful when you're buying it. It may not work for your grill if you have an aftermarket grill. If you have the original grill that came with the car, you have no problem with it. But anyway, I'll be doing this shortly in the future. So if you guys want to see me install this thing, how to troubleshoot and custom fit it, then definitely subscribe and look out for my future videos. Hit the bell notification because you're not going to want to miss that if you guys have the similar issue that I do. And real quick, guys, if you weren't aware, I am doing a little giveaway. It ends on the 23rd of January. If you guys want a chance to win it, it's a really cool car detailing kit that I put together myself. I'm also going to throw in some first edition Jimbo 5.0 merchandise that has not seen the market yet to anyone. So one of one for you. If you want a chance to win that, guys, go ahead and click above in the description right now and just follow the instructions in that video fully. This way you know how to enter, and good luck to you guys in winning. I was going into the van to find some lock washers for this. I actually did in fact find the washers for this, and it was going to work great. In the process of doing so, this fell out of my hand and landed face down on the crushed stone here. So as you guys can see, it's a glossy surface and it got pretty banged up. It's all scuffed over here and scratched on the side there. So well, guys, sorry that didn't work out. I honestly did have every intention of installing that badge today. I've been trying to for months, but you know, I got to do some modifying to it, and I still will put that badge on the car. I will find a way to put that badge on the car. I got to do a little modifying to it, and I will be doing that on another video. The thing is, I don't want to go through all that effort and time and have it scratched up. So it's my fault. I dropped it. It scratched. So just be very careful if you guys are going to go get one of those, not to drop it, because they will scratch. I mean, I dropped it face down on rocks. It's like dropping your phone face down on crushed stone. It's not a very happy ending. So in the meantime, I'm gonna reorder it. I wish I could do more for you guys today, but it is snowing out right now, and I gotta go do some work stuff. I do snow removal, if you guys don't know. It's part of what I do for a living. So when it snows like this, take care of that stuff, the work stuff, the boring stuff. I don't wanna bore you guys with that, unless you guys are really interested in what I do for work. And you know, how to start a business, and I don't know, whatever. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Go check out LMR. They got some really cool stuff on their website. I'll put their website down below in the description. But and definitely keep an eye out. Subscribe to my channel right now. This way you guys could see the future video of me actually installing the badge and custom fitting it, because you guys may have the same issue with your car when you go to do it. So you might want to, you know, check that out as well. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. See you on the next one.